Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this short video I will share the easiest recipe of chocolate frosting for your cakes. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and switch on the notifications. The frosting I'm talking about is chocolate ganache made of only 2 ingredients. These ingredients are cream and chocolate, and it only takes less than 10 minutes to make. To fill one cake, I normally use 500 ml of heavy cream, which is normally 35%, and 200 grams of dark 50% cacao chocolate. This proportion gives a nice light flavor. If you really like dark chocolate flavor, you can add a bit more chocolate. Make sure you melt your chocolate 15-20 minutes in advance and let it cool. I never use thermometer. I normally place a drop of chocolate on my skin, and when it feels cooler than the temperature of the skin, it's ready. At the same time, it must be liquid. And cream has to be cold. If your cream is not cold enough and your chocolate is warm or hot, the whole mixture will just turn into liquid. I mix the cream till it becomes thick but relatively light, and then gradually add the chocolate. Because of pouring chocolate into cold cream, sometimes there are tiny bits of chocolate, but I think it gives even more flavor to the cake. If you use all of the ingredients in right temperatures and proportions, you will get stable cream straight away. I normally leave it for 5-10 minutes in the fridge and then apply it straight to the cake. I normally use this type of frosting inside of the cake, not on top. You will see me using this frosting in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure you subscribe and see you in the next video.